Friends, here is problem number 21 and the question is ZDUIP LJQEV TAPEL FSJON QJNGK. So this is the given question and the options are, first option is LJQEV, second option is TAPEL, third option is FSJON, and the last option is QJNGK. So these are the given options. So what we have to do, we have to find the wrong, a group of letter which is wrong. So let us consider the given question, that is Z D U I P. This is first group. Second is L J Q E V, second group. Third is T A P E L. This is third, and the fourth group is F S J O N. Last is Q J N G K. Now, whenever you come across with problems related to letters, you have to write their positions. Okay, what is the position of Z? It is 26. Position of D is 4. Position of U is 21. Position of I is 9. And position of P is 60. Now, position of L is 12. J is 10. Q is 17. E is 5. V is, yes, it is 22. Now next, T is 20, A is 1, P is 16, E is 5, L is 12. Okay, what is the position of F? F is 6, S is 19, J is 10, O is 15, N is 14. Now what is the position of Q? Position of Q is 17, J is 10, N is 14, G is 7, K is 11. Okay, use trial and error technique. So take difference of neighboring letters, or 26 minus 4. What is 26 minus 4? 26 minus 4 is equals to 22. Now 4 minus 21. What is 4 minus 21? Yes, it is minus 17. Next, 21 minus 9. 21 minus 9. 21 minus 9 is 12. Okay, now 9 minus 16. 9 minus 16 is, yes, 9 minus 16 is, yes, it is minus 7. Now move to next. 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. 10 minus 17. 10 minus 17 is minus 7. Okay, 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5 is, yes, it is 12. Now 5 minus 22. 5 minus 22. Yes, it is minus 17. Now observe. Here I am having 22. It's 2 minus 17. Minus 7. 12. 12. Minus 7 and 7. I think this is not a logic. Now what I will do, I will take difference of letters, or the positions of letters in even and odd. So this is the first letter, this is second letter, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth letter. Now this is at the odd position because it is having position first position. This is second, that means it is at the even position. This is at the odd, this is at the even position. Now this is at third position, that means this is odd position letter. Now I is at the fourth position. Okay, fourth position means it is even position. This P is at fifth position. Fifth position means it is odd position. Now what I will do, I will take difference of positions of letters which are present at odd, even, and then odd, like this. So what is 26 minus 21? 26 minus 21, because first minus third. The letter which is present at first and the letter which is present at third position. 26 minus 21. 26 minus 21 will give me 5. Okay. Now second position minus fourth position. What is 4 minus 9? 4 minus 9 will give me minus 5. Okay. Next, third position minus fifth position. 21 minus 16. What is 21 minus 16? Yes, it is 5. Okay. Now moving to next. So N is the first position, J is having second, Q is third, and E is fourth, V is at the fifth position. Now what you have to do? Yes, you have to take difference of first and third position. So what is 12 minus 17? 12 minus 17 is minus 5. Now what is 10 minus 5? 10 minus 5 is, yes, it is 5. Now next is 17 minus 22. 17 minus 22, that is the letter which is present at third position minus the letter which is present at fifth position. 17 minus 22 will give me minus 5. Okay, now I will move to next. That is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. First minus third, second minus fourth, and then third minus fifth. So first 20 minus 16. What is 20 minus 16? 20 minus 16 is 4. What is 1 minus 5? 1 minus 5 is minus 4. What is 16 minus 12? 16 minus 12 is 4. Again move to next set of letters. F, S, J, O, N. First position, second, third, fourth, fifth. First position minus third position. 6 minus 10. What is 6 minus 10? 6 minus 10 is? 6 minus 10 is, yes, it is minus 4. Now what is 19 minus 15? Yes, it is 4. Now what is 10 minus 14? 10 minus 14 will give me minus 4. Now move to next. That is the last set of letters. 17. This is first position. J, that is 10, is second position. 14 is the third position. 7 is the fourth position. 11 is the, yes, fifth position. Now what we have to do? First position minus third position. Second position minus fourth position. Third position minus fifth position. 17 minus 14. 17 minus 14 is, yes, it is minus. Yes, it is minus. No, it is not minus. It is plus 3. 17 minus 14 will give me plus 3. Now what is 10 minus 7? 10 minus 7 will give me plus 3. What is 14 minus 11? 14 minus 11. Yes, I will get 3. Well friends, we found differences as plus 5, minus 5, plus 5, minus 5, plus 5, minus 5, plus 4, minus 4, plus 4, minus 4, plus 4, minus 4, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. So what you can observe? Observe carefully, you will find these two differences are same. Okay, these two differences are same, and this difference which is obtained as how this is obtained? Second minus fourth. Second minus fourth will give you minus 5, which is nothing but same in the form of value, but in the form of sign it is exactly opposite sign. I am having here plus, but I am having here minus, but the values are same. 5, 5, 5. Now moving to next. Here also I am having minus 5, minus 5, but this is plus. That means the difference obtained by the letters which are present at odd position is minus 5, minus 5. and that is equal. Both are equal. And the difference which is obtained by, yes, by the letters which are present at even position, that is second and fourth position, is same, but it is having different sign, means opposite sign. Even you can say that opposite sign. Now I am having here minus sign, I am having here plus sign. The previous difference series also the same logic follows. Now moving to next, that is here. First is plus 4, minus 4, third is plus 4. This is difference obtained by first odd letters, first minus third. And this is difference obtained by even, the letters which are present at even position, that is second and fourth. And this last difference is obtained by, yes, third and fifth. These two differences are same, the values are also same, and the difference obtained by, yes, the letters which are present at even position is same, but the sign is exactly opposite. Exactly opposite to the sign which is obtained by, yes, which is obtained by taking difference of letters which are present at odd position. Now moving to next, here I am having minus 4, minus 4. That means these two are equal. I should get here 4. The value should be same, but the sign should be different, and the sign should be exactly opposite. So I am having here minus, so I should get plus. Yes, it is plus 4. Okay. Now moving to next. Here I have got difference as plus 3, plus 3. The difference which is obtained by, yes, the letters which are present at odd position. That is plus 3, plus 3. Both are equal. Now what should I get here? So I should get the value as 3, but the sign should be different. And the sign which is present here is plus. But I am having here the same sign. That should be minus, or it should be opposite to this sign. Opposite to this sign should be minus. But I am having here plus. So this letter group or group of letter Q, J, N, G, K is the wrong one. And the option 4 is having that group. Option 4. This is exactly above here. Option 4 is having Q, J, N, G, K. So that's the right option. So this is how we solve this example. Okay, now I will move to next problem.